Hi, John. I'd like to show you a 2008 Ford F-450 bucket truck. It has a V10 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. I'll show you as long as we're standing right up here. We have 110 volt outlets here. We have air pressure there if you want to plug in. Open the door here, give you a quick shot of the interior. AM, FM radio. The boom, the Altec boom, operates from this generator. You do not have to have the engine running. You can actually turn that off, lock the doors if you'd like. We have a hydraulic pump up here that operates the Altec boom. This generator also supplies 110 and 220 volt to the outlets there. There's an outlet on the tip of the boom. There's outlets on the right side of the truck. I'll show you those in a couple of minutes. There is a heater in the bucket, and if it's chilly out and you want to put that heater on, you can. This generator sits on a slide. You pull it out, you can service it. That's part of our air compressor right there, which I'll show you how that operates. These shelves are adjustable if you want. You can put them anywhere you want, remove them if you like. Got a ventilated cabinet here for if you want to put aerosol cans, torches, anything flammable. Keeps it safe. And you also have central locking. If you push that in, you can put a cable tie or padlock depending on, I guess, the location where you're at. Cone holder. We have LED lighting. 4,000-pound pintle hook. Ladder rack up here. We have another cabinet or tray here for dirty stuff, shovel, digging bars, A-frame ladder. If you look up there, there is another cabinet, storage galore. Here's another outlet right here, and we have air pressure right there. And as long as I'm standing back here, there's an outlet right here. There's air pressure right there. And these 4 bolts are a bucket heater that's in here. Would plug into that. We have a controller here. This is considered our master. We have upper and lower controls, generator, start, stop, and then the different functions of the bucket. I'm going to start it over here and show you that, but we can start it here in the bucket or on this right front corner. Another cabinet here. Pull out drawers. They're all nice, heavy duty steel. This cabinet, we have our air compressor. I'll show you how that runs once we fire up the generator. But we have these pull-out drawers, and we have a bunch of dividers. They can go in here however you want to make it yours. All 3 of these drawers are pretty much the same. They're real nice, heavy duty. They roll real nice. If you have digging bars, umbrellas, whatever, you can put it in here. We can also start the generator right here. This is what I wanted to show you. We have 220 volt outlet, 110, 110. So to start it, we'll just push that up. The generator will prime and fire right up. Going back to here now. Again, all of these controls that you see right here, all these functions are in the bucket, except instead of this switch being right here, we have high speed and low speed. So that's a dead man switch. We raise the bucket. Your weight will level the bucket. I believe I have the brake on at the moment to lock the bucket into place. turn that generator off. Don't need that anymore. And this cabinet right here is just another cabinet for storage. And again, this one is ventilated, so if you wanted to put aerosol cans or anything, you are legal. You have a lot of hooks there if you want to hang a chainsaw or whatever you want to hang from it. Open up this door and give you a quick peek inside there.
So the word that I